Okay, today we are learning about who is Alfred Wegener. Um, you may have heard a little bit about him. He is the scientist credited with the theory of what? Think about our lesson question. What do you think he's credited with? It's changing Earth. How Earth has changed over time. What do you think that is? It's called the theory of continental drift. How these continents, the continents on our planet, have changed and moved over time. That is Alfred Wegener. Why do you think this? What made him come up with this crazy idea that over billions of years the continents have what? What have the continents done according to continental drift? They have drifted apart. See this change over here? They have drifted apart. They're closer together and now they've drifted apart. That's the theory of continental drift that is credited to Alfred Wegener. He was kind of a crazy thinker in his time. Nobody really believed him. You're going to watch a couple more videos about him and learn about him. But what made him think this? Let's watch this quick GIF. He thought as time went on, and this is what now scientists believe, that the continents used to be one, but over billions of years, the whole lifespan of the Earth, right? They shifted and drifted apart, moved apart. This is the idea of continental drift, that over billions of years, the continents have drifted apart. So that's what Alfred Wegener is credited for. The continents fit together like what? Like puzzle pieces. And you may have seen that. You may have noticed that they sort of fit together, especially things like um, South America and Africa. But there are kind of some missing pieces. If you noticed in that Pangea, it's called Pangea. Like these are filling in gaps that aren't there in the regular continents. Okay. And it's looking at a map of that made Alfred Wegener think that these pieces fit together. And that those pieces are not actually seen on land. That map that he was looking at, whoops. No, I don't need to watch that again. That map that he was looking at, my slideshow has taken over. That map he was looking at, the gaps are called what? You probably don't know this. Okay. It's called the continental shelf. It's a continental shelf. We can't see these pieces of landmass. What are they? What do you think they are if we can't see them? The continental shelf is land that extends below what? Where would the land be that we can't see it? What do you think? Below sea level, right? It's under the ocean. Here's a really deep ocean floor, but right off the coast, there's a more shallow edge called the continental shelf. And when Wegener saw maps of the continental shelf, he started to see that these pieces fit together. These puzzle pieces aren't the only evidence he saw, though. He also saw matching what? What do you think he matched? What have we been studying all along? What do you think he matched? Spinny, spinny, spinny. What do you think those things are that he matched on the different continents? He saw them in different places. We've already had a little hint of this in the last lesson. Fossils and rocks. And in this lesson, we're going to be looking specifically at fossils. What did he notice about those fossils? He noticed that it explained why they were all spread out. Okay? If the continents were once connected all like this, that explained a lot about fossils and rocks. We're going to look mostly at fossils in this lesson. And why they ended up so spread apart on different continents. You are going to spend this lesson, kind of piece together this map. See if you can make the puzzle pieces of our continents fit together, thinking about if we also include the parts under the ocean that aren't seen, called the continental drift, continental shelf, and matching up these fossil records. So you're going to give a try with that, work with a partner or a couple people, and see if you can't piece this together. Good luck and have fun.